Hey, everyone! Welcome back, and today we have a fantastic recipe for you that's not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to make. We're going to be making a mouth-watering carrot casserole. It's the perfect side dish for any occasion, and I promise you, it'll become a staple in your recipe repertoire. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this amazing carrot casserole. 2 pounds of fresh carrots, peeled and sliced. 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. 1/2 cup of sour cream. 1/4 cup of melted butter. 2 cloves of minced garlic. Salt and pepper to taste. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish. First things first. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. While that's warming up, let's start preparing our carrots. Peel and slice the carrots into uniform rounds. This ensures even cooking and a beautiful presentation. In a pot of boiling water, blanch the carrots for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're slightly tender. This will help them cook evenly in the casserole. In a large mixing bowl, combine the blanched carrots with melted butter, minced garlic, sour cream, half of the cheddar cheese, half of the Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together until well combined. Transfer the carrot mixture into a greased casserole dish, spreading it out evenly. Now let's make it extra cheesy and crunchy. Sprinkle the remaining cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, and breadcrumbs over the top. Pop the casserole into the preheated oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the carrots are tender. And there you have it. Our delicious carrot casserole is ready to be served. Garnish it with some freshly chopped parsley for that final touch. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tasty dishes. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy cooking!